7 then says, the overall tone of passage 2 is distinctly what? So we haven't really talked about passage 2 yet. And remember with tone, there's 3 categories that any answer can be broken down into. There's kind of your argumentative, you have your personal type tones, and you have your factual. So those are just broad generalizations, but we can sort of categorize each one. Now, A is anarchistic. So anarchy is total chaos. The passage 2 author is not promoting total chaos. So that's really, really extreme, and it's not going to be what we need. So that's going to be out of here. B is pessimistic. And looking into passage 2, we know that she's kind of a step down towards pessimism from step 1. Passage 1 is really kind of even-keeled realist. He's not an optimist, like with all things are rainbows and butterflies, but he's definitely not a pessimist. He's in the middle. Passage 2 is way more pessimistic, so B is a true possibility here. C says feminist. So if you're looking at this passage, we know that it's written by a woman, but it's definitely not feminist at all. There's nothing in there that's talking about feminism or women's rights in there, so it's not going to be C. D then says anachronistic, so that could be a mystery word for you, so we can leave it in. And E says traditionalist. She's totally not a traditionalist, so E is going to be out. Now D, anachronistic, you see the root chron, C-H-R-O-N, and anything that has the word chron in it has to do with time. The prefix an, A-N, means not. So anachronistic actually means that it's not in the right time period. So if you were watching a play, and the play, takes place in the 1920s, and you see someone on stage wearing Nike shoes, baby fat, a G-Shock watch, clearly that outfit is totally anachronistic to what's going on in that play. So that's a good example of what that word means, but this story, this tone, is not anachronistic, it's just a little bit pessimist, so our answer is B.